The beauty of summer often begins in the quietest moments. The gentle movement of water beneath the afternoon sun, soft shadows stretching across warm stone pathways, a peaceful breeze carrying the calm rhythm of outdoor living. In spaces designed with care, even the simplest details begin to feel extraordinary. A beautifully organized poolside retreat is no longer just a functional outdoor space. It becomes an atmosphere, a place where relaxation feels effortless and every element works together in perfect harmony. Fresh linen towels folded carefully beside the pool. Natural wood textures warmed by golden sunlight. Elegant storage solutions blending seamlessly into modern architecture. Nothing feels overwhelming. Nothing feels out of place. Only balance, softness, and quiet luxury. Modern outdoor living embraces simplicity in a way that feels deeply comforting. Open spaces invite the mind to slow down. Clean architectural lines create a sense of calm. And thoughtful organization transforms the entire experience of summer living. Wooden towel racks add warmth and timeless character. Floating shelves create openness and visual lightness. Woven baskets filled with soft fabrics and summer essentials introduce texture and depth into the environment. Every object feels intentional. Every detail contributes to the atmosphere. As sunlight reflects gently across turquoise water, the entire space begins to glow with a peaceful energy. The sound of moving water, the softness of outdoor fabrics, the subtle motion of palm leaves in the breeze. Together, they create a feeling that is impossible to rush. Luxury today is no longer defined only by size or extravagance. True luxury is found in comfort, in simplicity, in spaces that allow people to breathe deeply and feel completely at ease. Poolside organization plays a surprisingly powerful role in creating that feeling. When towels are folded beautifully and displayed with care, they become part of the visual design itself. When pool floats are arranged intentionally instead of scattered randomly, the space immediately feels calmer and more refined. Organization creates visual peace. Clean surfaces allow natural textures to stand out. Warm wood contrasts beautifully against cool blue water. Neutral fabrics soften modern architecture and create a sense of quiet balance. Every corner begins to feel welcoming. Tropical-inspired outdoor spaces introduce another layer of relaxation. Bamboo shelving. Stone flooring warmed by sunlight. Lush greenery surrounding calm infinity pools. These natural elements blur the line between luxury resort living and personal outdoor escape. As the afternoon light changes, the atmosphere evolves with it. Bright reflections soften into golden tones. Shadows move slowly across textured walls and woven materials. The entire environment begins to feel warmer, calmer, and more intimate. Minimalist outdoor spaces offer their own unique beauty. Matte black storage frames. Smooth concrete surfaces. Neutral linen fabrics moving gently in the breeze. There is elegance in restraint, beauty in simplicity, nothing unnecessary. Only carefully chosen details that create a refined and peaceful environment. DIY storage ideas bring personality and creativity into poolside styling as well. Rustic wooden hooks, layered woven baskets, handcrafted shelving solutions that combine beauty with practicality. These small additions create spaces that feel personal, lived in, and effortlessly welcoming. As evening slowly approaches, the energy of the space changes once again. Soft ambient lighting begins to glow beneath the warm sky. Reflections shimmer gently across still water. The calm atmosphere deepens into something even more peaceful. The organized textures, the carefully designed storage, the soft outdoor fabrics, and the warm architectural lighting all work together to create a true sense of escape. A place where time slows down, where the noise of the world fades quietly into the background, and where even the smallest details contribute to a feeling of complete relaxation. Beautiful outdoor living is not about perfection. It is about intention. Spaces designed thoughtfully, textures chosen carefully, organization that creates comfort rather than distraction. And perhaps that is why these poolside environments feel so inviting. Because they are not simply designed to look beautiful. They are designed to feel beautiful. A calm breeze moving through soft linen curtains, the glow of sunset reflecting across still water, the quiet luxury of an organized outdoor retreat at the end of a warm summer day. In moments like these, luxury feels natural. Effortless, peaceful. A lifestyle centered around calm, beauty, and the simple act of thoughtful organization becomes part of something much larger. A lifestyle centered around calm, beauty, comfort, and the timeless atmosphere of summer living.